So after designing my website, I'm upload them more videos on your website, but I'm using only for one image to upload the many videos. Suppose select by 10 videos, but image is only one. That is your own image. Why? I can't promote that videos thumbnails, that cover images. We can use our own image to promote by multiple YouTube videos. Select one page. Right now this page, no videos. I'm searching for so many videos. There's a different cover images are there. Yes, but all videos I'm using only for one image. All videos I'm using only for one image. Now go to pages. Click for all pages. Select your children rhymes in Telugu. Exactly select the image designed by the your canva.com. Image is ready. Image will be ready. I'm uploading for total 3 videos, one image. I'm uploading for 3 videos, only for one image. Select the image format here. They're open in the screen. So the image will ready. Which one? Children rhymes in Telugu. Done. First, add block. In this, go to select by which one? Common blocks. Click for image. Click for image. What is that? Upload image. Go to download. Select your image. Image is ready. So image options, everything here. What is it? Slideshow, tile gallery, media and text, file and cover. So every option will be here. Every option will be here. Say this. Select your path. So everything ready. Image will be success will be ready. I'm selecting first video. I'm not copy as video by original thumbnail. Select video. Copy the URL. I'm not using for original cover image. Just go to image. Image right side. Image right side. Link to. Image right side. Link to. Select. The option call is custom URL. Image right side. Option call is link to custom URL. Add by URL. This is my own image. I'm playing for other YouTube channel videos. But here, which image will be promote? My image will be promote. After that, everything ready. Now click for update. Click for update. Now go to your page. I'm clicking for image. They're playing for which one? Your YouTube channel video. But image is mine. We're playing for other channel videos. Just so here. So you can see completely. What option call is open new tab. New tab theme, but anyone click the image, they will open for the new tab. Select update. Any option theme will be comfortable. Your own image, you can play other YouTube channel videos. They promote which one? Your own image will be promoted. Now refresh. Now clicking here, the video open for another tab. That is called open new tab. So I'm adding for one more video. Add which one? Image. Upload. Same. I'm selecting for same image. Select by the video. Copy. Image. Right side. Link to. Select. Custom URL. Set the custom URL. Click for new tab. Click for update. Every video we can give one space is required. Part 2. Part 1. Videos are different. Partition will be part 1 and part 2. You can upload how many images you can upload. Each image will be uploaded by one video. So we can play for select by 3 videos. You can say upload by 3 images. If you select by 3 videos, upload by 3 images. Each video only play by one YouTube channel URL, not for multiple YouTube channel URLs. One image you can upload by only for one video to play by each and every image. So update done. Now check uploading how many part 1 and part 2. Both will be separate videos. Image will be same. Is it clear? This is called you can promote your own image to another videos on a particular WordPress site.